You were tested physically, mentally, and emotionally, and you proved that you are worthy to be called Descentrados. It is my honor to stand before you today on this meaningful occasion. This day is the fruit of your discipline, sacrifice, and perseverance, a recognition of your commitment to become a better public servant.
This is a day to cherish, honor, and inspire as we witness the fruits of their labor and the beginning of their promising future. Welcome, and let us make this day recognition ceremony a memorable one for our outstanding trainees.
Kaya nga, ang ating adhikain ay malinaw. Changing lives, building a safer nation. Ang pagiging isang dakilang kawani ng koreksyon ay hindi isang biro. Ito ay hindi lamang trabaho, kundi isang bokasyon. Isang tungkuling nangangailangan ng higit pa sa pisikal na lakas. Ito ay nangangailangan ng matatag na psikolohiya, mataas na integridad at tunay na malasakit sa pagbabago ng kapwa. Ang tunay na tagumpay ng isang kawani ng koreksyon ay hindi nasusukat sa dami ng nakakulong, kundi sa dami ng buhay na ating natulungan na magbago at muling maging produktibong bahagi ng lipunan.